In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Auth codes for a Namecheap domain step by step. If you're planning to transfer your domain to another registrar, this code is exactly what you need, and I'll walk you through the entire process in the simplest way possible. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage all of your domains. From there, click on Domain List. This will show you every domain currently registered in your Namecheap account. Now find the domain that you want to transfer out. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, because the Auth code is specific to that domain. Once you've found it, click Manage next to the domain name. This will open the domain settings page. Here, look for the Sharing and Transfer tab and click on it. This section contains the options you need for transferring your domain to another provider. Next, scroll down until you reach the Transfer Out section. This is where Namecheap gives you the tools to request your authorization code. Before you go any further, check whether domain lock is enabled. If it is turned on, you'll need to switch it off first because locked domains usually cannot be transferred. After disabling domain lock, click Auth code. Namecheap may ask you to choose a transfer reason. If you see that prompt, just select the reason that best matches your situation. Then click Send code. At this point, Namecheap will send the EPP or authorization code to the registrant email address associated with the domain. So the next step is to check the email address on file for that domain. Open the message from Namecheap and copy the EPP, Auth, or authorization code from the email. Make sure you store that code safely because you'll need it when you start the transfer with your new registrar. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it got filtered there. And that's it. You now know how to get auth codes for a Namecheap domain. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can move forward with your domain transfer confidently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.